What if building a complete fashion brand didn't mean juggling endless tools, files, and tabs? What if your mood board, logo, packaging, and social content all lived on one infinite canvas, where you could literally click, edit, and reshape ideas in real time? That question led me to something that completely changed how I design. This isn't another AI that throws out random visuals and leaves you to fix the mess. This is the world's first AI design agent, a system that understands visual structure and lets you directly interact with every element it creates. No layers, no files, just design on a single, infinite canvas. Let me show you what it looks like to build an entire fashion brand using Love Art. We're creating a conceptual streetwear label called Monarch District. The brand draws from urban geometry, minimalist fashion, and the symmetry of butterfly wings. Bold, modern, and made for creatives who live between art and rebellion. I start by typing a simple brand description directly onto the canvas. No prompt engineering, just plain language. As I edit the text live, Love Art immediately understands the direction and starts building visually around it. From that description, Love Art generates a complete mood board. Angular forms inspired by wing geometry, textures like brushed metal, distressed black denim, and ripstop nylon. Bold sans serif typography with modular influences, cinematic grayscale fashion references that define the tone. Now here's where it gets interesting. I click directly on one of the images and use Touch Edit to guide the design. I say, add brutalist architecture references and introduce metallic red as an accent color. Within seconds, the entire mood board updates. Same structure, same balance, just a sharper direction. Next, I move into brand identity. I ask Love Art to design a logo using symmetrical butterfly wings in a clean, geometric style. It generates a full logo system: primary logo, abstract symbol, monogram, flexible logo type. Everything aligned to the same grid and visual language. Instead of regenerating everything, I click directly on the logo. Using Edit Element, I tell it to switch to a stencil-style typeface, sharpen the wing angles, and push the symmetry further. Every variation updates instantly, without breaking spacing, alignment, or scalability. Now we design packaging. I ask for minimalist apparel packaging with matte black finishes and silver foil accents. Love Art creates folded boxes with spot foil detailing, hang tags with metallic threading, modular neck labels, and reusable shopping bags, all laid out on the same canvas. I notice the copy on the hang tag. I click the text and use Text Edit to rewrite it in a more confident, editorial tone. The typography adjusts automatically. Spacing stays clean. Nothing breaks. Every element here is fully editable. I drag components, adjust spacing, rotate layouts, or add a holographic security sticker. Everything responds instantly, like I'm working with a real design team. Now it's time to launch. I ask Love Art to create Instagram carousel posts for Monarch District's debut drop. Limited editions, urban environments, short quotes about transformation and individuality. It generates 5-slide carousels, story templates, and reel-ready layouts, all using the same fonts, colors, and grid. I tap one post and use Touch Edit to add glitch textures and push contrast. No exports, no rebuilding. The entire set updates while staying on brand. Finally, I ask for a launch landing page. Love Art builds a dark mode layout with a bold headline, product grid, and email sign-up, interactive cards, smooth transitions, scroll-based motion. Everything feels connected because it is. And yes, you can even generate videos directly from this canvas. Define the concept, set the length, and Love Art turns your designs into motion. This is the workflow. You speak naturally. You click directly on the design. You edit text, touch elements, and reshape visuals in real time. The AI understands balance, hierarchy, spacing, and proportion. There are no layers to manage and no files to organize. Here's the real power. LoveArt remembers everything. Your colors, your typography, your layout logic, even your writing style. So every future campaign already starts on brand. Since using LoveArt, I've cut project timelines by more than 60%. I can deliver full brand systems solo. I stay focused instead of switching tools. It's not just faster, it's more creative. This changes everything for solo creators, indie brands, and lean agencies. LoveArt becomes your entire creative team on one canvas. This is the future of design. Human creativity working side by side with intelligent AI. Not replacing creativity, amplifying it. If you're building a fashion brand, or any brand at all, and you want an AI that feels like a real creative partner, check out loveart.ai and join the waitlist. Let me know in the comments what kind of brand you'd build with LoveArt. Like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.